Here we go. So hit the button. It's going to be a two-parter. Sorry about that. It happens all the time when you do this handheld stuff. You accidentally touch that button and boom, we're in two parts. But like I said, once I get the red and the orange that I've got on the front of my helmet on here, that's kind of like our graphic, right? I'd even think about putting that on a trailer eventually sometime, but it's going to break up all that blue. And of course, our numbers on the Enduro, they're going to be a little smaller on this one because the pod's smaller, but on here, it's a dark background with a red number with a white outline. I think I want to do that same thing on here. And break up all that orange. So once the fairing's going to be all blue with that red and orange on it too, it's going to end up looking really nice. We're going to give Patrick a run for the fashion show at the racetrack. So we'll let the boys get to work. It's nice sitting watching the boys work. You're going to have to bust out the barbecue. You guys want lunch? Patrick? Al, you guys want? Yeah. I got some of those killer hot dogs from the racetrack. Those big beef franks. I'll barbecue you guys up and meet you.
Go burn some hot dogs, man.
Heck yeah, man. Why not?
We'll burn some hot dogs.
We'll bring you some more back in a while when Patrick's cussing and swearing over there.
Oh, yeah.